Okay, so now we're gonna look at the Ringke Rugged Gear Magnetic in black. Ooh, that's interesting now. So we have the magnetic ring, and it's kind of like built in here. So all the corners are reinforced. You can't see anything through this. It's raised around the camera. Buttons are covered, and yeah, let's see. Okay, so once it's on, and that's how it looks like. Good grip, easy access to the pen. All the cutouts, like I said, are done properly. It's all a bit raised all around the screen, and as well as this, like I said. So let's see how easy it is to take. All of them are quite easy to remove because of the material that they are made, quite rubbery material. And yeah, if you wanna use a MagSafe, as you can see, a little downside with the Samsung phones is the cameras are too long down, and it creates a little gap, which makes this weaker. Like MagSafe, it's not as it doesn't have a good grip as with the iPhone.